Mwonanire twa mathitho ni MAUREEN Kirimi na ningetwa MAUREEN Kinya. Igamba ria gikuo kia Daniel Muthiani uria wizikene muno ta sniper riria rikwirigiri kwambiria kuthikirwa na arua niritirite mwanka rojo nyuma ya ntumiri kwezanwa kirikoti ati mugambithania na azitwe rutere rwa thuganirwa niruritie kuthaganwa maratasi jonthe ja nthitango onto deputy registrar aborite gwikinya kiri rwang'irwa uchonkoni kujukia maratasi za kenda igamba rita na mbere rojo kethira mugambithania akethira akuigwa bwega. Boniface Mongera na gutwambiria na rugono ru
kuthikirwa rasmi kwegambara Daniel Muthiani kana sniper okethirwa kambiria ntukwe rojo kwethirwa mugambithania uri nario bichepkone akethirwa kubwa kana akora igamba rero kali kwethirwa rithikirwa ntukwe narua indi kwaritita na mbere nontu mugambithania na jitwe na gita ntumire jikiri interaction dire chigusika mwana mwingi munyo registra kirikoti ya Kiambu Jacqueline Karani na ugire gamba rekethro rekiamberia ntukwe rojo kweja kwake mugambithania akethro akobua.
Matter will have a date for tomorrow for hearing. Let us hope that the judge will be well. If not, directions will be given. I'm expecting to have you present physically tomorrow.
Naku berere kithirira kugerega mbantu korojo lidroligi gukale okumira kabobo go kuruthana katikati kama wakili ara mawakili bathuganirwo batongere tu wakili bwana Elias Motuma bakwendega mbali lidroligitethio na mbere mwanka mweri jwa kenda mwaka jotore bakyo kono kojubo bwero bona ni TV moja ndhuro ne Kenya ne bakwenda kanyaga kanganu kaweta kuibanga romba rire wakili Motuma ile tumiro na la kunja gutewa kuraje mawakili barotero thirikari mwa wakili ba sniper araba ugere batishokete kwa TV kana social media okujubira bona bibongani tabe tayari kuendelea negamba kenge mawakili babathugani batongere tubona Elias Motuma ibashokere kaine romba ringi araba ugere kuna mashokyo kana submission batethero bakiamukira kumakiri mawakili ba thirikari prosecution ontubura na kunyumene munyo register bikarani yarekithirerie riogari kinya kuthwa ntukwe narua Pedro bakwamukira kendega mbalithiro kiambiria ntukwe rojo kweja kwa mugambithania kethira akora.
We are here to balance justice, and it has to balance. It just has to balance. On the 4th of when was this? February this year. We are now in June. And if it wasn't for the judge being sick, today the matter was going to be heard, and it has 3 days for hearing. I've not seen any letter from your side, Mr. Musyoka, any letter from your side, Mr. Mutuma, alleging that this matter has 3 days set for hearing. We do not wish to waste judicial time. We are writing to complain that we have not been supplied with all the prosecution documents. You're waiting to raise it on the day for hearing. Honestly.
Vincent Mureithi kana supo mioro DJ Kabum motonongino rwali governor wa county Bikaira Mwangaza Kennedy Murangeri kana Tali Brian Mwenda na Christas Manyara ibwathuganirwa banene paiko kia Daniel Muthiani kana sniper na nonto nande igambarira bangiri kuthithikirwo na ntuku ithatu na ntuku nero kwethirwo ikiura koti nere kithirite kithithikirwo na ntuku ejeri yake kenda nyumene mugambithani ta kwandika ugambi bwawe kumenyekana uma ponde tuje sniper nkiripoti na Ntoshoro TV kumaja kingina ngine kineke mshoni Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.
Kamiti ya ugima kiri mbunge ya Tharaka Nithi nikite methene ya speaker riboti yegie gutabarika kwa sibitari nini cia kaunti imwe kinya ikirika chire mungenene jwa kuingwa. MCA ni baringite gituma iguru ria sibitari ya Kieni Ntere cha Mwimbe bakiendo chonkoni kuthithwa kiri urungamiri bwa sibitari je ni batokete boro tarwangirwa michetho kiri thirikari ya Njukeni ontubwa kwa iria kari bakathondeka bieni bia rwathaka jiondothi na kibugwa bakiwa Kieni gya kajiondothi yake nikyo kiritiri kagugi kanini. Martin Mugambi ni agutumenyithia nkuruki.
Mbunge ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi muthenya we munthi chokerete ikarobia jombari cia kathona nyuma ya rutha rwa ntugo inkai ichokerete na riboti nkutho ciegie mantu mothi na mbere mwanya mwanya ndeni ya kaunti ino.
When our facilities, Mr. Speaker, are not working, they are in failed situations, Mr. Speaker. It is the people, our people, who suffers most, Mr. Speaker, and especially those who have no, they don't have the capacity to go to the private institutions, Mr. Speaker, where some of us who are mandate would afford to go, Mr. Speaker.